I'm Jenna, and this is my honest review of the 96% Snail Mucin Power Face Serum. I bought this because I saw it was on special on Amazon, and I already have another one of these Snail Mucin products, and I really liked it, so I thought I would give this a try to replace my current serum that I use as like the second step after a toner. I really like this serum. You only need a little bit. I've had this bottle now for like almost 2 months, and this is how much I've used. A little bit does go a long way. I'll show you the texture of it. Is kind of like, it looks watery, let's see, but it has like a gelish type of texture, and it just goes on so smooth. My skin has like an instant moisturizing effect. This is a great serum if you're going to put on makeup or something. You can use this as your makeup primer. So that's really nice. So you don't have to use like multiple products. This fills in all like those fine lines and wrinkles you may have on your face. I know, being in close to my mid-30s now, I've been trying different things to help with my wrinkles, help moisturize my face. I've noticed since I've started using this that, you know, my face does hold moisture better. I haven't had like an increase in breakouts or anything like that. I haven't seen any negative effects from using this, and I really like it. It makes my skin glow. It makes my skin so soft. I have like a combination skin, so sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry, and I just know that if I use this, it's not going to cause like any kind of flare-ups in my skin. So yeah, I really like it, and if you are looking to try the Snail Mucin, this is a really good option. Or if you've already tried another one of the Snail Mucin products like I did and you're interested in these, this is another good one to add to your rotation. So I think you should give it a try. I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.